What is up? Welcome. I am hanging out in Orlando, but it's bike week. I should go there. In today's video, I'm headed to Daytona, hang out at the Ciro booth, install some filler panel lights on a street glide or road glide. Well, I don't know yet, because we're giving this set away to the first person that shows me a post from Instagram at noon today. Pretty cool way to win something if you aren't here in Daytona or you didn't know about it. Sorry to hear that, but you should be following me and Ciro on Instagram or Facebook, and you would have known about this. There'll be some more about that later too. Let's go to Daytona.
For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Max. I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Harley Davidson. And on this channel, I bring you guys to work with me. So if you want to learn more about Harley Davidson, you should hit the subscribe button now. Well, except today, I'm not taking you to work in the shop. I'm taking you to work at Daytona Beach. And even though we're giving a set away to a lucky winner down in Daytona, I didn't want to leave the faithful viewers out. So Ciro and I are giving away a set to one of you. I'll let you know how to get in on that action here in a few minutes. All right, I made it. It's loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I've got a sticker for the winner, and I'm about to sneak in behind the Ciro booth, which is right over here. I've got to sneak through the tent, see if I can find a winner for the giveaway, and then we'll do the install and all that good stuff. Let's go. What's up? Damn, how you doing?
Good, I finally get to meet you.
Yeah, how you doing? Good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
What kind of bike you got?
Street glide, 19 special.
Nice.
Yeah.
What color?
Industrial gray.
Industrial gray? That's what's up. The winner right here.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. And a sticker. Good. All right, so what all are you getting installed?
Pretty much the whole back.
So we're gonna document it, get a picture for the gram so that we can prove that this all happened. Because did it really happen if it's not on there?
Right.
And then we'll start installing stuff. So Alex is actually gonna do the install today. He's finishing up the bag blades from Ciro and the Latitude taillight and license plate combo. All that'll come into play in a minute when I explain how it all plugs in, because it is a plug and play system, double-sided tape, super easy. So you all know that I'm a highly trained unprofessional. Alex here, also a highly trained unprofessional. He is setting up this bike. I'm just here for part of the install though, and we'll do bag blades and the tail light some other time. So I get to be a cameraman today. Filler panel lights in black or chrome, and what comes in the box. Right side, left side, and the decoder. Alex, you already prepped the surface, right?
I did.
So, quick and easy, Windex, rubbing alcohol, anything to clean this up because they are double-sided taped. I really like how there's some tabs on the bottom of the light, and then it sits flush against the stock fascia. So you really can't mess it up. It like lines itself up really easy. It's always good to test fit it just so you kind of know what you're doing before you peel it off the double-sided tape. Pro tip to get sticker tape started, it's either a razor blade or a pick. So you just set the lock tabs or the little tabs down at the bottom and then kind of press up and it'll line up that back edge right there nice and perfect. Then the wire just comes right out here out of the bottom, and we'll route that in a second. You know how I roll though, you don't need to see us do the other side because it's exactly like this except opposite. With both sides installed, we can route the wiring to under the seat where we'll plug it into that decoder. Now the left side is almost easier because there's already some wire looms that go from the factory down through there. So you just kind of mimic what Harley did when they put the bike together originally and route everything through there. Right side, you'll know what to do because you've already done it on the left side. So this side has the same loops that are actually being used as the left side. This side, we'll just throw some zip ties up there and it'll look like this. And now that that's all done up, we can take a look at the decoder and get all the wiring routed underneath the seat. So the decoder that came with her filler panel lights it's for 14, that aspect is for 14 and up only. She already has one on her bike because she had the bag blades installed. Now we're gonna use wire connector to just use the same one single decoder to power everything back there. It just makes the BCM system a little happier. And now I get to turn it back over to Alex. That was it? Oh dude, so easy. So, I like zoned out for half a second, he's done. So just plug it back in here, route it away from the battery. If you watch my other videos, you already know, don't cover your battery. It just makes people like me really mad when it's time to service a battery. And it's ready. Let's check out her whole setup back here now.
We installed the filler light panels, but since she had back blades and the tail light installed too, I figured I'd just show y'all the whole setup for the back end of this bike now. Alex, you want to show it off? Brake lights, left turn. Notice how they're amber here and here. That's part of that decoder. It helps to let the colors change without throwing engine codes. Right turn signal, same deal, you've got amber. Turn signals everywhere, brake lights everywhere. They're all run, brake, turn, basically.
So that's the setup for everything back here. I figured I'd just go ahead and show y'all. I'll link it all down in the description, even though you only got to see us install the filler panel lights.
Alex, half an hour maybe?
Yeah, so easy to install.
So
there you have it. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to I'll do the actual install for the other stuff that he did, but super quality stuff, plug and play like all of Ciro's stuff that I've installed so far. Very easy, very nice. And we'll take a close-up look at this of the booth, and I'm gonna find Arrow, the owner, and he's got some news for you, so let's do that. She's ready to go, but before the video is over, I mentioned in the beginning about how you need to like Ciro's Instagram and Facebook page to know stuff like this giveaway. Well, Arrow, the owner of Ciro, is actually, I mean, he's behind the giveaways. It's up to him what we're giving away. So it's really cool of him. I wanted to put him on camera with me and explain the giveaway for this month right now. The set of filler panel lights, same way as last month's giveaway, where if you like their Instagram page, Ciro's Instagram page, not mine. Their Facebook page, not mine. Tag a different friend from last month. They're gonna pick a winner. Let them know if you want the black or the chrome, what your model is, and they'll send you a set out.
Yep.
Right?
Sounds
Cool.
good.
So the whole rally here, Arrow's on site for all of it. He's an active part of the company, which is awesome. And he'll be at other rallies this year too.
Yeah, we're going to be doing all the major rallies this year. I'll be bringing the truck to Laughlin, Nevada next. Then we'll be at Laconia and Americade. Then we got Sturgis, as well as Daytona in the fall, Panama, and also Galveston, Texas.
Very cool. So you might not get to meet me at all of those, but Arrow will be there, Ciro will be there, selling parts, installing parts for you just like today. And I'm ready to go ride.
yes, sir, that's the deal, guys. Another giveaway from Ciro, which is pretty dadgum cool, I think. The way you enter is the same as last month's giveaway, where we gave away set of saddlebag extension, the lighted version. And all you got to do, like their Instagram or their Facebook, tag a different friend than you did last time. If this is your first time here, you tag somebody on the post, on their post, not mine, to be clear. Like, you know, I don't want you to think you entered and you didn't. Get out there, like their pages, that way you're filled in on stuff like what just happened today with the Lucky Winner. Really cool day, really cool day. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I think the product is great. I haven't really reviewed it necessarily. I think it looks good. It fills in with the fascia really well. It kind of carries the line. And I've actually seen a ton of them down here in both black and chrome. As I was pulling in, I saw a set on a lady's bike, but my phone was in the mount, and you really shouldn't take pictures while you're riding. I really wanted that picture though. It looked good. I think the whole setup is really good. Adds a lot of light to the back of the bike, which from a safety standpoint, as most of you should know or need to know, is a lot of motorcycle accidents happen from the back, and as we all know, cages just don't see us. So not a bad idea to light that thing up. Light that ass up. Man, I am so funny to myself inside my own helmet. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I've got more Daytona videos coming. They won't necessarily be in chronological order, just so that, you know, the next month isn't Daytona stuff. But I'm filming a ton down here. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification so you know when I upload. And if you haven't quite got your fix, there's a video here and here. And I love cruise control. Peace.